Hi everyone, this is Bhairavi Patil. I am from Jalgaon. I have completed my education from Government College of Engineering, Jalgaon in 2014. Actually, I have experience of 4.8 years, but in another domain, electronics domain. Then I was searching for the job in a IT domain. Then I came to know about ITP from social media. Then I inquired about ITP and decided to join the course, and it was the best decision of mine. I have choose a software testing course here, and I would like to say thanks to Imran sir, Kaustubh sir, Trupti ma'am, Gunjan ma'am for providing such a good knowledge. The knowledge provided by this faculty helped me a lot to crack the interview, and I got my best dream job. So I will recommend everyone who want to change their domain and shift their career in IT. They can join ITP. Thank you so much ITP and all the team of ITP. Thanks a lot.